This is a really interesting topic today, which comes up with a lot of our clients. And that is, they're charged with a criminal offense. Let's say they're charged with domestic violence involving one of their children, whether it's a woman or man, domestic violence. We represent women too on domestic violence, or a sexual assault involving one of their children. And the client maintains they're innocent, and they may be. I mean, not everyone charged with a criminal offense is guilty. We have to bear that in mind. Everyone's presumed to be innocent as well. So what happens in that situation is you're charged, the police lay the charge, you're released from custody, and there's going to be an order that you're not, you're going to have to leave the home. You're not going to be able to see your children, etc. So that's a non-communication, non-association order. Now, the Children's Aid Society is almost invariably going to get involved. They always do, because the police have an obligation to notify them. They're going to want to interview you and about the abuse, alleged abuse, and the home situation. Now, what advice do we give clients in this situation? Well, if you maintain you're innocent and you want to go to trial, our first advice is, look, you're not getting your kids back right now anyway. It's alleged you sexually assaulted one of the children. The others are about the same age. There is no use giving a statement to Children's Aid. The only effect of that, I'll tell you the effect, it could ruin your defense. Because let's say you're truthfully innocent. I don't mean you just say you're innocent. You're actually truly innocent. The child's fabricating for whatever reason, which does happen. So you go into Children's Aid all nervous. They have professional examiners questioning you. You're totally unprepared. You haven't even read your criminal file yet, so you don't even know what your child's alleging. You're walking into a total trap. They're going to examine you for 3 hours in a room. You're going to tell your version of events. You're going to be nervous. You're going to forget things, even if you are telling the truth. A truthful person can almost never, I mean never, tell the same details the same way every time. There's going to be an inconsistency between something you say this year and 2 years later at trial. It's guaranteed. There's very few people in the world who can pull that off. The only people who can pull that off are if they've studied the criminal file extensively, they've been prepared, they know all the questions they're going to be asked, and that's going to take place 2 years down the road near the trial. Even then, it's a rare person who can pull that off. I rarely see it happen in my entire career. Every person I've seen in my career, except for maybe one or two, and that's a lot of clients, who gave a statement to the police, regretted it, because there's always an inconsistency between that statement and what they're going to testify to at the trial. It might be a big inconsistency, which is a disaster, medium, still a disaster, even small inconsistencies hurt. So first and foremost, you have to exercise your right to remain silent, not talk to Children's Aid. You can deal with Children's Aid after you win your case, hopefully. If you lose your case, well, you're not getting your kids back anyway. But dealing with Children's Aid while child abuse cases going on involving your own children is a no-go. It doesn't help you, and it's almost certainly going to harm your case in some way that you totally regret. So it's something that clients don't want to hear because they want their kids back. Someone who says I didn't do it, I want to go, I want to clear my conscience with Children's Aid, I want to tell them nothing happened, I want to clear myself. And I said, you're not going to clear yourself with Children's Aid. You're not getting your kids back. We have to win this trial first, and you can deal with Children's Aid 2 years down the road. That's the sad truth and the reality about how to defend a case properly in the criminal justice system, by completely avoiding speaking to Children's Aid if your case involves child abuse involving either other kids or even your kids. So that's my advice on that particular topic. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.